Welcome to Time and Work Session 3. In Session 3, we will study alternate day based problem and smart method. Both the topics are very interesting but little tricky. In alternate day problem, I will tell you a specific method which can be used for any of this type of questions, and in smart method we will see that how a question can be quickly solved without using pen and paper. But for this, your basic concept should be very clear, which we have already discussed in previous sessions, so you don't have to worry about that. So now let's start with the alternate day based problem. Alternate day based problem. This concept is based on two persons of different capacity working on alternate days. The question is, A alone can complete a work in 16 days and B alone in 12 days. Starting with A, they work on alternate days. What will be the total time taken by them to complete the work? Let's understand the question first. Here, there are two persons of different capacity. First person is A, who does the work in 16 days, and the other person is B, who completes the same work in 12 days. These two persons work on alternate day basis, with A starting the work on first day, so B comes on the second day and does his part of the work. And on the third day, A comes again and does his part of the work, and so on. So in this way, how much time will be taken by them to complete this work? Now let's understand the cycle here. So A's 1 day work will be 1 by 16 because he does the work in 16 days. So on first day, the work done by A will be 1 by 16. And on the second day, the work done by B will be 1 by 12 because B's 1 day work is 1 by 12. And then the cycle repeats. So in this cycle, the work done in first and second day will be 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. And the cycle repeats every 2 days. So we can say that in 2 days, the amount of work which gets completed is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. So A plus B's 2 days work will be equal to 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12, which is equal to 7 by 48. Now you know that if nothing has been specified, then the work is supposed to be 1 unit. Now out of this one work, 7 by 48 work has been done in 2 days. So now you all need to do is that multiply this value 7 by 48 with a number and arrive at 1 unit. So try to multiply 7 with a number such that the resultant value is approximately equal to 48, so that the numerator and denominator will become approximately equal and the result will be approximately equal to 1 unit. Now, if you multiply 7 with number 6, you will get 42, which is approximately equal to 48. So, let's multiply both the sides with number 6. So, we can say that work done in 6 pairs of days, that is 12 days, will be equal to 7 by 48 into 6 is equal to 7 by 8. Now, 7 by 8 work has been done in 12 days. So remaining work will be equal to 1 minus 7 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 8. Now after 12 days, it's A's turn on 13th day. So work done by A on 13th day will be equal to 1 by 16. Let's check the remaining work again. Now remaining work will be equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16, which is equal to 1 by 16. Now it's B's turn on 14th day, and we know that B can do one work in 12 days. Therefore, B can do 1 by 16 work in 12 into 1 by 16, which is equal to 3 by 4 days. Now we can say that the work done by them will be 12 days taken by A and B, and one more day, that is 13th day, taken by A, and 3 by 4 day taken by B. So the total time taken by them will be 13 3 by 4 or 13.75 days. So our answer is 13.75 days. Smart method. A can complete a piece of work in 12 days. After working for 8 days, B joins him. They finish the remaining work in next one day. In how many days can B alone finish the work? This question can be solved using our traditional method, that is work based on days. For this, you need to write the work equation and find out the capacity of B in that. And then you can find the number of days required to do the work done by B. But it will definitely take some time and some calculations will also be required. But if you want to do it quickly within seconds and without doing any calculations, you can do it mentally. Let's understand this approach. See, A can do a work in 12 days, but he works for 8 days and then B joins him. And then these two persons can finish the remaining work in next one day. Now we need to find out the number of days taken by B to finish the work. Let's apply the smart method approach now. We know that A is working alone for 8 days and then he works for one more day along with B. So altogether, if you observe that the effort put by A is total 8 plus 1, that is 9 days. Now we know that A can finish the work in 12 days but he works for 9 days. So 9 out of 12 means he has done 3/4 of the work. So we can say that A has put effort for total 9 days. So he did 3/4 of the work. And it is obvious that if A has done 3/4 of the work, then definitely 1/4 of the work has been done by B. Because after B has come to the picture, they finished the work in one day. So B can do 1/4 of the work in one day. So we can say that 1/4 of the work has been done by B in one day. Therefore, B will complete the work in 4 days. So our answer is 4 days.
Thank you for watching session 3. If you have any query, you can write back to me on mathskagurukul.vns@gmail.com.